Certainly. Here's the full story in plain text, all in one cohesive narrative. Minus. The Genesis Garden, a future born from curiosity. In a world not too far from our own, where technology and nature intertwine like threads in a tapestry, a young dreamer named Eli discovered something extraordinary, something that would change the very fabric of life on Earth. From the moment Eli could walk, he was fascinated by the world around him, the buzzing of insects, the shimmering scales of fish, the lush green of plants, and the intricate dance of ecosystems. But as he grew, so did his questions. Could I create a new world? Could I grow life, plants, bugs, fish, all in harmony and for the benefit of everyone? This is the story of Eli's journey, a journey into the heart of a self-sustaining ecosystem where science, imagination, and a desire to help the world come together. It all began in Eli's backyard, a small patch of dirt and hope. His grandfather, a retired biologist, handed him a strange seed, an ancient relic from a forgotten time. "Plant this, and see what grows," he said with a wink. Eli planted the seed and watched as tiny shoots sprouted, but that was just the beginning. He realized that with the aid of technology, LED grow lights, automated watering systems, and sensors, he could accelerate growth, control environments, and learn about what plants needed to thrive. He called his project the Genesis Garden, a miniature universe where plants, bugs, and fish could coexist and flourish. Eli started with the basics: lush leafy greens, colorful flowers, and tiny insects, beetles, caterpillars, even pollinating bugs, all carefully cultivated with AI-driven monitors ensuring perfect conditions. But Eli's ambitions grew. Why stop at plants and bugs? He designed a small aquarium, an artificial pond, where tiny fish swam gracefully. These fish weren't just decorative, they were part of a sustainable cycle, helping keep the ecosystem clean and balanced. He developed a system where the fish would feed on specially bred aquatic insects, which in turn fed on the plants. It was a perfect loop, an ecosystem of growth, nourishment, and balance. As Eli's ecosystem matured, he realized its potential. These tiny fish could become a sustainable source of food, especially as the world faced food shortages. In his mind, he envisioned a future where people could raise fish at home in aquariums or small tanks, fresh, healthy, and free from contaminants. He also experimented with insects, crickets, mealworms that could serve as nutritious pet food or even as protein sources for humans. Using biotech, he enhanced their nutritional content, making them a sustainable alternative to traditional meats. Why not grow the food we need, Eli thought, right here in our homes, in harmony with nature? Eli's dream didn't stop there. He integrated AI and robotics to manage the entire ecosystem, adjusting light cycles, controlling water quality, and even deploying tiny drones that monitored plant health or cleaned the tanks. He envisioned a continent-wide network of such ecosystems, massive farms of plants, insects, and fish, operated by intelligent machines, providing food and clean air and supporting human life in sustainable ways. And beyond that, Eli imagined robotic and AI companions, autonomous caretakers, helping maintain and expand these gardens, creating a future where humans, robots, and nature thrived in unity. One evening, as Eli looked over his miniature world, he pondered, what is life? What does it mean to grow and nurture? He realized that this ecosystem wasn't just about survival, it was about understanding the fundamental truths of life itself. He thought of ancient myths, the golden apples of knowledge, the poison of Midas, and saw how knowledge, when used wisely, could create worlds. His ecosystem was a modern myth, a testament to human curiosity and the desire to harmonize with nature. Eli's journey had only just begun, but his vision of a self-sustaining, interconnected ecosystem stretching across continents was now within reach. His work symbolized hope, a future where technology and nature work hand in hand, creating a new world of abundance, balance, and endless discovery.